Welcome back. Now let us do the hands-on of hierarchical clustering, and the concept we had already discussed over here. And 164, let us read the data fresh. 167, drop the response column because we don't need. And 170, we are calculating the distance of each of the row from others, and this is what method we'll be using Euclidean because all of the numeric data. So 170, that is what we are doing, and 173 we are calculating the hierarchical cluster. So we are giving the distance, this is what we have calculated, and method is complete. So there are multiple methods, and this one I find it out more useful over here. And you can see the documentation, there are multiple methods, and details have been given over there. 173, so we are finding hierarchical clustering, and 176 we are visualizing that. Yeah, this is the things, and this graph is called dendrogram. Okay, and now let us see that. We had already decided that we'll be having a number of the three clusters. So let us draw the three box for all those three clusters. I'm running 179. So these are the three things it has done it for the three clusters. Okay, and this is the way, if you cut the three, so it will give you the cluster ID for each of these things, the way it was given for k-means. And you can see it is 1, 2, 3 and all, it has done it. So this is the cluster ID for using the hierarchical cluster. And what I want you to show you few things. I hope you recollect that. Okay, let me draw the plane diagram again, this 176. So that you can have the plane. How to find it out number of cluster using the dendrogram. So we have to draw the two horizontal line, and that should not cut any other horizontal line. So this is the two horizontal line. If you see that, if we can draw somewhere here between here to here and here to here. Okay, let me show you in a map. Okay. So if you see that that's line which we can draw. So one is like this, and one is, this is the one line. Okay, sorry if it is not coming as a straight line. This is what. Okay. So if you see that this is cutting that three vertical lines. So there are three cluster in this. This is how we come to know it. Okay. Okay. Now we have already got the cluster IDs in the hierarchical cluster, and we had already this cluster ID using the k-means. So k-means has done the clustering using one of the technique, and hierarchical has done other technique. So find it out what is the difference between these two. That is the one thing you have to do. And the second thing, also generate the cluster attribute. Call the function I had written you and do the analysis like this and see if there is any difference for the hierarchical clustering. So these are the two classwork you have to do, and please go ahead and do these two classwork. Okay. Okay, that's all. And for after this, we'll be moving to the k-mean concept we had explained over here, and k-mean has been one of the simplest implementation in R. So you can definitely do it on your own and take it as a classwork. And if you are unable to do it, I will help you out. But it is a simple. You see this hierarchical cluster, how it is simple. Similarly, I want to practice the k-mean couple of the times. you'll find k-mean is also one of the simple way to do it. It is not much difficult. Okay, so that's all. Thanks a lot for watching it. See you in the next one, and I hope you are learning and you are enjoying this course. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next one.